A perfect pie crust can feel intimidating, but today I'm sharing a unique ingredient that will ensure you get a flaky and delicious crust every single time. The great thing about this pie crust is that much of it can be made weeks or even months ahead of time and just stored in an airtight container until you're ready to bake. For this mix, whisk together 5 cups of flour, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and then cut in 2 cups of shortening. We prefer the butter flavored Crisco. Use a pastry blender, a fork, or even your hands to combine this until it is kind of a sand consistency. This is what you'll store in your airtight container until you're ready to bake. To make one pie with a top or a single crust pie with some pie crust cookies, in a 1 cup container, beat 1 egg, then add my secret ingredient, which is 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix that well, then fill the cup up with ice cold water. In a mixing bowl, pour 1.5 cups of your pie crust mix. Add just enough of the egg, water, and vinegar mixture to make your dough come together. You won't add all of the water and egg mixture. For example, for this recipe, I only used about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup. Roll your dough onto a lightly floured surface until it is the thickness you prefer. At our house, we like a really thin pie crust. Put the crust into your pie dish and then bake the rest of your pie according to the directions of the pie you are making. Today I'm making a pumpkin pie. I'm following the recipe on the back of the can of Libby's canned pumpkin puree. I like to cover the edges of my pies with a little bit of aluminum foil just to keep them from getting overly brown, and then I remove that aluminum foil about the last 5 or 7 minutes of baking. Don't toss out your leftover dough. Roll this onto some parchment paper or a baking mat, brush with melted butter, and then sprinkle with cinnamon and sugar. I bake these at 425 for about 7 minutes or until the bottoms are a light brown. You could cut these into cute shapes with little cookie cutters, but honestly, at our house, they never last long enough for anyone to notice what shape they are, so I just cut them with a knife and bake. In the comments, let me know if my secret ingredient surprised you. It really does make all the difference. Thanks for watching.